Yeah. He's a member of parliament. I have nothing to do with him. I am not in parliament myself. And I hear him talk about me all the time. And I'm happy, These guys who removed him from office with William Ruto, they had said, I'll be forgotten in 3 weeks. This is the 7th month. I am the discussion in every meeting.
Oh,
even today, they were publicizing my party somewhere in Ukambani. The president is in so much trouble. He lost all the people who could speak for him. That his PA now is the one who speaks for him. A PA is the one now selling him in the meetings. That is how thin he is. Yeah? So I had that be discussing my party. I'm very happy. And this party has caused commotion in government. I saw Mr. Yesa tweeting something last night about the party. I had the president today saying that we should not be forming parties, we should be working. I would like to tell William Ruto, I'm not your employee. You cannot decide for me what I'll do. When I was your deputy, you could order me around. You can't order me around. If I want to form a political party, that's my business. What do you have to do with it? You run government, my friend. Me, I'm not in government. Why are you saying that we work? We work with what? I'm not working. You are the one who is working. At this is the time to work. It's time to work for those who have work. But those who don't have work, you cannot force them to work. As we have some work we are doing, and the work is well cut out. We have been told by the people of Kenya, William Ruto is 1 term. We are focused. That's what we are working on. It's our business. And the president cannot decide to us what is our work. He's doing his work. He was told by the people of Kenya to do. The same people of Kenya have told us to make him 1 term. So both of us are obeying the people of Kenya. He build roads if he wants. Do whatever you want to do, go ahead. As we have a different script and instructions from the people of Kenya, make William Ruto 1 term. That's what we are doing.
That's the agenda.
Why does he want me to abandon me my work and go and do his? Kila mtu afanye kazi yake.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your beef with Kimani Ichung'wa?
I have no beef. That is a sycophant of William Ruto. Again, it's an amplifier of William Ruto. My issue is William Ruto. Those are just flower girls around him, members of the praise and worship team, who see no evil, hear no evil. They are in